Payday Advance Payday Bridge app, cash now, no credit check. Need a cash before payday, apply in minutes and access up to 900 from licensed lenders, all from your phone. Life happens, bills stack up, emergencies hit, and sometimes you just need cash now. Payday Bridge make it easy to quickly find real lending options with no confusing forms or hidden fees. You connect with trusted third-party lenders right from your phone, safely, securely, in just a few steps. So Payday Bridge app is your go-to loan connection app designed to simplify the search for payday and personal loan offers. Submit simple requests, instant matching, compare offers, apply and get funded. Fast and easy to use interface, no cost to submit loan requests, nationwide lender network. And loan amounts range from $200 to $900. Appreciation rate between 4% and 35%. You need to be really careful. And it only to US residents aged 18 or older who meet basic eligibility criteria. So then you just need to install it and then just open it up. And then you can just open it up like this. And then you just create your account, first, last name, phone number, and continue with the process like this. So that's the idea.